first fishing trip in a while. Today is going to be a shore fishing trip. Hoping to get into some snapper, maybe some black drum, but we'll see. You never know what might be biting, if they are biting. I'll give it a try. Thanks for joining. We'll see what happens very shortly. Meeting up with Julio, and our voices getting drowned out by the wind. Well, that was a relatively unsuccessful trip, but it did get me out to do some fishing. Had a little bit of rain, very windy, and all I caught was a ladyfish, very small snapper, and a needlefish. I think I had some video of Julio. He caught several nice sized snappers. Was out, got out of the house, wet a line. It's always a good day when you can do that. I want to thank you all for watching, and as always, bent rods, tight lines.